Welcome to 10-minute morning yoga. This variation of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is one of my favorite sequences to practice in the morning. It warms up the whole body, gets the blood flowing and just feels very energizing. We will do 5 rounds, starting slow and slowly increasing the speed with each round. When you are ready, stand at the top of your mat with feet together or hip distance apart. Stand up nice and tall, straighten your spine and bring your palms together to your heart. Breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your nose. Big breath in, slow breath out. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, lean slightly back for standing back bend. Exhale, bend down to your legs, palms or fingertips on the ground, bend your knees if needed. Inhale, step your left foot back, lower the knee down. Your back toes can be tucked or untucked. I like to keep them tucked to make it easier to transition into next pose. Exhale, step your right foot back into high plank, shoulders above the wrists. Take an extra inhale. Exhale, drop your knees down, lower down to your belly, keeping your elbows close to the ribs. Untuck your toes. Inhale, lift your chest for small cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into downward dog. Knees can stay bent, heels don't have to touch the floor. Find your variation of downward dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward, right knee down, low lunge. Exhale, step your right foot forward to the front of the mat, forward bend. With inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up, lift up through the chest, standing back bend. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward bend, hinge from the hips. Inhale, right foot steps back. Drop your knee down, lift your chest up. Exhale, left foot back into plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, lift your chest and head, cobra. Elbows point back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps forward, left knee down to the mat. Exhale, left foot forward, forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up, gentle back bend. Exhale, palms to your heart. This was one full round of Sun Salutation. Let's keep moving. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift your chest into back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, left foot steps back. Exhale, right foot back, plank, and lower down all the way. You can keep your knees up as you lower down for more intensity. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left foot forward between the hands, low lunge. Exhale, step your right foot up, forward bend. Inhale, up to standing. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale, plank. Lower down to the belly. Inhale, lift your chest up, cobra. Try to come up a little higher each time. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing. Lift your chest up, back bend. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot back, inhale. Sink your hips down, lift your chest. Exhale, plank pose, lower down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward, inhale. Forward fold at the top of the mat, exhale. Inhale, come up, reach arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right foot forward, inhale. Exhale to the top of the mat. Inhale up to standing. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, reach arms up, stretch up. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot steps back. You can keep your knee lifted for more intensity. Exhale, plank, lower down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward, inhale, right knee on the mat or above the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up, reach up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Right foot back, your variation of lunge. Inhale. Exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right foot forward, inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, reach up to standing. Exhale, palms to your heart. Last round, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot back, inhale. Exhale, down to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward, inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Right foot back, inhale. Plank, lower down, exhale. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, downward dog. Right foot forward, inhale. Left foot forward, exhale. Inhale to standing, reach up. And exhale, release your arms all the way down alongside the body. Roll your shoulders back, turn your palms to face forward. Eyes can be open or closed for a moment in standing Shavasana. Notice how your body feels after this practice. Maybe you can see some difference in your energy level. Maybe you feel a bit more awake and energized. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Thank yourself for showing up on your mat this morning and taking good care of your body and mind. Put a big smile on your face and open your eyes when you are ready. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Hope you enjoyed this one and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!